Did you know that Google has hidden games you can play for free? Have you ever tried them? No. Don't worry. Today, I'll show you 10 secret Google games that you can play right now.
Yay!
So, hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, we will see 10 secret Google games. So watch the full video without skip. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then don't forget to subscribe now. So let's get started. Number 1. Starting off with a classic, Google Snake. Guys, search Google Snake on Google and click on play. And now you can play the old school Snake game, but with a modern Google twist. Try to get the highest score. Number 2. Tic Tac Toe. Are you want to challenge your friends? Just search Tic Tac Toe on Google. And now you can play against a computer or a friend. Try to win an impossible mode.
Let's go.
Number 3. Want to relive the 1980s arcade days? Just search Google Pac-Man on Google, and you'll find the legendary Pac-Man doodle that Google released on its 30th anniversary. It's still available, and trust me, it's addictive. Number 4. Love solving puzzles? Try Google Minesweeper. For that, just search Google Minesweeper and play the game where you clear the grid without triggering mines. It's a perfect game for strategy lovers. Number 5. Google Garden Gnomes. This game appears as a Google Doodle on Garden Day. For that, just search Google Garden Gnome and play the game. You launch gnomes using a catapult to plant trees. It's a mix of fun and education. Number 6. Feeling bored? Just type Google Solitaire on Google, and you can play the classic card game with a clean interface. It's great for passing the time.
This guy was good.
Number 7. Do you love cricket? If yes, then just search Google Cricket on Google, and you can play an awesome mini cricket game with adorable characters. Super fun for cricket fans.
Yay!
Number 8. Did you know Google had a secret version of the classic Atari Breakout game? If no, then just search Atari Breakout on Google, and you can play the classic brick-breaking game. Use your mouse or keyboard to move the paddle and break all the bricks.
This guy was good.
Number 9. Google Halloween. Guys, it is a special Halloween game where you play as a wizard cat. For that, just search Google Halloween on Google and play the Halloween game. Defend yourself by drawing the symbols above enemy ghosts. Number 10. Champion Island. Google once created an RPG-style adventure game called Champion Island. For that, just search Champion Island and play as a ninja cat, competing in different sports like skateboarding, swimming, and archery. So guys, I hope after See This 10, Google Secret Games, you feel amazing. And from playing these games, you will become happy. And if you have any doubts, or after playing these games, if you want to express your feelings, then feel free to drop a comment below. See you in next video. But before that, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe